chicken, cucumber, carrots, plus that soul sauce. That's the restaurant classic, Kung Pao Chicken. Today you'll hit one goal. Chicken breast stays tender, the sauce clings, and the peanuts stay crunchy. There are only 4 things that decide success: size, velveting, sauce, and heat. Remember those 4 and you're basically halfway there. Fry until most peanuts open, then scoop them out immediately. Sprinkle with salt and toss. Once cooled, they get even crunchier. This is dangerous, by the way. You'll keep taste testing, and suddenly your Kung Pao has no peanuts. Marinating is easy. Add seasonings, mix well, lock in moisture, and marinate for about 10 minutes. This is velveting. It's like putting a thin jacket on the chicken. Don't stir right away. Let it set and sear first. Cook until lightly golden and about 80 to 90% done. Then remove. Don't fight the wok here. Chicken breast turns dry fast. Bloom Sichuan peppercorns until fragrant. Then add dried chilies, ginger, scallion, and garlic. As soon as it smells amazing, stop. If it burns, it's just bitterness, and it's a very committed bitterness. Chicken back in. Add cucumber and carrots. Stir fry fast for 1 to 2 minutes. Make the sauce ahead of time. Mix and set it aside. Pour in the sauce and crank the heat. Reduce until glossy. When it turns shiny and starts clinging, that's it. Restaurant flavor unlocked. Finally, peanuts go in last. Toss quickly and get out. Serve with rice. Absolutely perfect. This is Sichuan Classics, Episode 1. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.